Do you know what is an aura and why is it important for a public speaker? Have you ever seen a speaker just entering into the seminar hall and without even speaking anything, he oozes out a lot of confidence and a lot of energy? That is aura. Aura is a form of personal power. It's being authoritative and trustworthy. So it's the environment you create around yourself. It's the charismatic personality which attracts a lot of energy. Wherever you go, you carry a different personality. That's an aura. So the best and the biggest gadget which a public speaker can carry is the high energy. Yes. So the vitality can be expressed in a different ways, like facial expressions, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you move around, right? So where does this come from? Where does this energy come from? It comes from the inner self-confidence, and it comes from the inner rock-solid confidence and self-belief.